Hey guys, first installment of something big we're doing, me and a couple of the boys. We went in on a bit of a workspace, bit of a garage, and build the drift cars in it, store the drift cars in it, do odd jobs and whatnot, but this will be a bit of a walk around, you know, show you what we're working with so far. And I'm pretty excited about it. You can see over here, it's getting a bit dark, but take you for a bit of a walk through what we were working on already. A couple of the boys are bringing out another car as we speak, but we've got my mate Aaron here with his 25 DCF, trash light, but this corner is 15, dedicated track car. Here we have my Skyline, shit lighting again, but it's coming together. Like, I suppose we'll have a wee talk about it. You can see the engine, can't really see much on here, but we'll go through another video at some point, but yeah. Okay, I managed to turn the lights on. Here we are, neat workshop, gonna have all the goodies. Start with some great content. Here we'll have a run through in a bit better lighting this time. The Cephei 25 det Johnnies, caged out, etc. And that's 400-ish horsepower, untuned, but we'll see. The bro Dan, his SR20 S15. We'll actually have a sneaky wee look under the bonnet. I haven't actually seen much of this car. We've got some spicy bits. I believe it's a S14, might even just S15 standard SR in it. Some goodies on there. Big old snail. As you can see, race cars. Diffuser in the pod filter. Oh, some KFs on there even. Lovely. Plastic windows. Oh, that's pretty cool. Cage as well. I believe Rapid and Timaru had this car. We got it off them, but bunch of GK Tech goodies. Oh, here we got my Skyline. Big block. I was a little surprised. You won't see a snail under there. No, I'll get to that at some point. But obviously redoing the vented hood. Universal vents that someone put on with a couple centimetres worth of bog and silicone. Cool. Yeah, it looks a lot smaller on video, but it's actually a pretty cool shot. Here we have some of the locals you'll see around here. Mr. CT Tamatua himself. This filthy lorry. If you've ever seen RFB, this is it. Nah, just kidding, it's actually quite tasty.
Well, kia ora whānau. We're down here at the workshop tonight. Just took the stuff out of the lorry because she was a bit whiny. So we thought we'd check it out. Get the brother doing some mahi for once.
Let's see whose car is this?
Mine. I'm always doing the mahi on it, mate. It's about time I had a break.
True, I just finished my second job for the day. Come on down, see what these boys are up to.
You don't even care.
And what's going on? The bro's just struggling to put it different.
Yeah, no, I'm not one to work on my cars. Usually just pay the bro Aaron to do it. Sometimes. No, we thought we'd just check it out. Got a drift school event on next weekend, so it's going to be pretty good. Some fresh content of Aaron spinning out.
Me failing to put a diff in.
Yeah. Yeah, she's looking pretty good in here now. Got the Bros 30 DE builds. Dan's S15. My lorry. Aaron's Seffy. For lock mods. Oh, you can't even see.
Shitty ass lock mods. The other one's the standard.
Yeah. Rest of us boys are rocking the standard steering jobbies.
Got some action.
Get it done, boy.
One nut on there.
My
That's the
God.
thing, not working on your own car, you don't know where the bolts are. And
They're all there.
lose them. Yeah, not under this lorry. Nah, probably are in there. Already cut my thumb tonight.
Woo, not the tahi. Yeah, good thing about the Seffy over there is it has the opportunity to get road legal, so
Yeah.
we'll see if he actually does it or not.
Same with the Skyline though, I suppose.
Yeah, that's true.
Like, I could technically get a waff right now if I put all the interior back in.
Dodgy.
Normal suspension. Righty row.
Factory spec.
Mean.
Getting it done.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, we'll see how this Locky lasts. The rounds weren't the best in it. Didn't have a plate in it.
Do you want to grab that pry bar, G?
Right
Alright, mine's welded the same, should be right.
Maybe, mate. Are you filming in like landscape or portrait? Like,
Just whatever you had it at.
like on its side normally, or like?
I don't know.
Bang.
Purchased some new wheels the other day. Can't really see it because the lighting's trash. We'll put them up cheap. So old Dan over here. Old Dan the rich boy. Look at them. Bloody hell. Too much money, Dan. Good old 30 debt. Bought this car as a rolling body. Got old mate Aaron to build the engine for me. Caged, etc. Now you can see. Yeah.
Just finished work earlier in my house uniform.
Here we are, take 10.
What the f? After the third time I thought I was time lucky. What the f?
I think we're getting
Bloody
somewhere.
Lorels. Bloody f the rails. Yeah, the problem is you don't know what you're doing.
Here we have Aaron in his natural habitat.
He's the voice of reason off in the distance.
Voice of me.
You, yourself.
One of the breathers.
Made a diesel header, mate.
Oh yeah, now let's just get the fire going.
Oh yeah, look, I'll show you the fire.
We need to get a diesel.
This actually wasn't us. It was the old owner. It's quite a big gnarly hole here. Look at it.
Good luck with that. It's on empty stand, you dribble.
He's burning some. Good one. Not a bad workshop though. Pretty good.
Okay, we made a deal here.
Cheap boy, cheap.
I'll put the dip in if you put the dry stuff in next to them.
No.
It's your car.
It's not a very good deal, mate.
We plug for the crossed up media.
You boy, funny with it.
She good?
Yeah. Got a wee extension for it? Yep. Oh, lovely.
Yeah, I've spent quite a bit of money on this car this week.
What have you done?
New set of wheels, new head gasket, new oils, 6 brand new tyres.
Sick.
It's a never ending money pit.
Mr. Moneybags.
Yeah.
Trying to see.
What are you doing, Aaron?
Just listen to flavour of the
Oh, turn it down.
Taking a status due to the card a bit.
Clutch replacement.
It confuses me. It's a front wheel drive. I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, you only work on RBs.
Well, nowadays I work on RVs.
Yeah.
I seem to have fallen from grace. Oh, no, we're gonna sell Glissade to play with.
most shit skid right now.
What?
That'd do the skid skid right now. Like this doesn't have a drive shaft in. Your car is on stands too. Skyline's up on stands. That'd do the shed skid.
The SR. The only one not getting worked on. The rest of the RBs are on stands. Or custom wheel stands there.
Living that RB life. That's what it's about, eh? We get it going, break it, do it
Drift,
again.
brake, repeat. Drift, brake, fixed, repeat.
Yeah.
I don't know if any of you actually knew about this lorry, but it was the old John Deere drift car. Competed in Drift South in 2012, I think it was. Need to get rid of the Nagi ring. The boys want me to keep it for history, they reckon.
Yeah, bro. Do you know there's a flat right out the back of here?
True.
Yeah. Beeps are loud noises all the time at night.
Well, that's easy.
Glissade.
Compressor will be here tomorrow, we can just listen to it.
That's what it is, isn't it, Zach? Glissade? Is that how you pronounce it?
Glidesdale.
Glidesdale. Oh, okay. If anyone wants any stickers done.
Plug, shameless plug. Buy my stickers, buy my fund me so I can work on my car. Yeah, you put in the axles in?
No.
Sounds good to me.
No. Well, here we are.
Here we are.
Just done, eh?
After take 10 on putting the this is that.
The boys.
Look at how much those wheels stick out. All these arms stick out compared to factory ones.
Yeah, but even what size were your other wheels?
First night in the Glissade garage. Aaron in the corner. Her.
Not even going into the seat.
Yeah, I'm going to the sea. Glissade. Her. Kia ora whanau. Third day in the workshop. Give you a run through on how we're going so far. So, obviously, we've got 5 of us in here. 4 of the boys' cars are already here, and one of the mate Aaron, he's going to be doing little jobs and whatnot out of here, so you'll be seeing a lot of those too, like this. So yeah, those are still in there. He's having a time. He'll get there. Skyline, Sylvia, Laurel, Seth, dogs. Yeah, so basically, what do we got? A31, R32, C33. If only it was an S14, S15 still. Check out that pod builder setup. Yeah, as you can see, coming together already. We've got a lot of going on. The boys are getting ready, or all three of these boys are going to drift school next weekend, so we'll hopefully get a lot of dope content on that. Definitely take you guys along for the ride. But yeah, like as far as being ready goes, I think they're pretty there. Like they're last night you obviously saw us just take out and check over that diff. I think we just need to paint the bro's guards. The bro with his Cephie's just doing an oil change today, I think. And yeah, I think they're relatively ready. Aaron's borrowing Caleb's wheels. The audacity of it. Because I think Aaron bought Dan's D1Rs at the back there, and those are going to go on the Ceph. So I don't know. There's only a couple genuine wheels in the building. A lot of this replica stuff. Impulse for one. Those are pretty neat. Obviously, fucking DKs, TBC, Righty Right, D1R. The Gen1 gang over here in the corner got the VSKFs. What do we got there? Gen1 babies. Gen1 BBSs. But nothing a relip won't solve. GST's in the back there. Here's obviously my plans for the vented hood. As you can see, it originally sat up here, and that's whoever put it on used like a ton of bog, and then the bonnet must have been bought after the car, but it didn't have, it had bonnet pins, and they must have just put the bonnet on and then shut the bonnet onto the bonnet pins, and it cracked all the bog and just looked terrible, like it's still worse for wear. So I'm gonna have to still fix it up, but she'll be right. And then my plans are to move it forward as much as I can, so that it's actually not as much over the coil packs. So I'll probably blank that off, and then you can see the twin cam still there, which is pretty neat. And then cut this radiator, cut the bonnet back a little bit more so the radiator's over top of it, which will be cool for airflow. Nice red line, Johnny. Let's see how we go. Might cut the bonnet, I don't know. I do have a GDR N1 bumper to go on it. I don't know if I should mention what the bro's up to with his S15. Big things to come though.
Victory, victory.